What's going on, YouTube? Back with another video. BMX Trash Talk here, and thank you for tuning in. But today I want to talk about my 1984 JMC Darrell, and I do have this bike on my channel, but it looks different than what it looks like on my channel. So this is my ideal of what a 1980s race bike should look like. I think it came out pretty good. The frame and fork, chrome and decals are original. The decals on the forks are the same decals that are on the down tube right there. And the guy that had it before me, he didn't have the original decals for the forks, so he went ahead and put the down tube decal on there. Basically, it's an inch longer than what the original decals for the forks are. Then have some Kenda old school tires. These are dry rotted. I love the Survivor look. These wheels were redone, and these are Yukai wheels with Suzy high flange hubs. And to my beginners that don't know, it's the height of the hub. That's why it's called high flange, and then you have a low flange, so it'll be shorter on the hub. And the word Yukai, these are, you can actually get these on eBay. And on the inside there's a line all the way around. Then on the other side of the wheel there's a line that goes all the way around, and that's why they call them speed lines. Now the outside of the wheel was polished. I'm just assuming that it had brake rub on there. And what I mean by brake rub, to my beginners that don't know, when you hold the brake down and the pads rub on the inside of this, it'll have little rub marks, or paint is peeling off, so it's a good look. So we have a Drunken Tiger Tough Neck Pro Model stem. I don't know why they call them Drunken Tiger. Then you have 2010 JMC pads. The cable is repop. And I have a Tech 3 Diacomp MX lever. Then have a Oakley B1 grips. Then you have that famous JMC decal. Now these bars are GT Andy Patterson bars. Andy Patterson also rode for JMC. He rode for GT. He also rode for other teams too. So he was a tall guy, so that's why he needed tall bars. From bar end to bar end is 29 inches, and from the stem to the top of the pad is 10 inches. Now these bars didn't cost nowhere near what JMC Andy Patterson bars are. It's only like 20 of those made, and those are 5,000 to 5,500 all day long. So I have a 1982 Elena seat and a GT straight coin stamp seat post. Now my beginners that don't know, the coin stamp is basically the circle around the word GT. And I do have the original seat guts to this seat. I haven't put it in there yet, but that's a Viscount gold seat guts. Then you have KKT pedals, repop profile box cranks, and I think last time I checked you couldn't get these cranks nowhere online in the store, but you can get them on eBay with some guys selling them. Then you have tough neck disc and a tough neck sprocket. And I forgot the name of the chain. And yes, it does have a gusset on it. And JMC did not make this from the factory. The guy that I got it from bought it from the original owner that raced his bike back in the day, and that's what he did. Now, we all did it. We all put something on our bike to either try to make it go fast or lighten up the weight. Whatever you did it. But this, to me, gives it character. I had a guy that tried to argue with me over this for so long, and I just had to block him on Facebook. He was a joke. Then he followed me here and started talking about it, and I just got tired of dealing with him. Then I blocked him on here too. Now this one right here is early chrome version. This one's either number 3 or number 5, made in '84. So this is a pretty rare bike by the serial number. But I just want to show you guys what I'm working with. And if I had to change anything on it, I'll probably change the bars and maybe find some first gen Darrell Young bars, or maybe second gen. Well, if you like what I'm doing, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, ring the notification bell, that way you catch my videos when they come out, share the videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.